Hello guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Kiki and today I'm here to invite all of you to the Unusual Fall Wreath Challenge. And I want to invite Subbies and also my fellow creators to this awesome challenge. The rules for the creators would be that you must be subscribed to my channel. That's the first one. And the second one is to make an unusual wreath. It can be square, a boot, a hat, a broom, anything your heart desires. The third one, the link to the playlist and my channel should be on your description box. Also, add the Unusual Fall Wreath somewhere on your title. And use the Unusual Fall Wreath on your description box, and that's a hashtag. Show us your DIY or revamping your unusual wreath and tell us why you chose it and the materials you used. Our upload date is August 16 at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Subbies are welcome to join, so send me a picture of your wreath and why you liked it before August 14. Have fun!